Are you constantly typing the same thing over and over? Emails, messages, code snippets, support replies? It's time to stop repeating yourself and start working smarter. Introducing lightningAssist, the fastest way to streamline everything you write. With just one click, Lightning Mode activates. From there, simply type your keyword, hit your trigger key, and your full resource appears instantly on any app, website, or command line interface. No more copy-pasting. No more wasted time. You can create unlimited resources, text, code, commands, whatever you need. Organize them into folders or group by team. Use smart replacements to personalize each message on the fly and preview before executing so nothing goes out by mistake. Need options? Scoped for uniqueness, resource identifiers stay unique in My Resources, each of your teams, and every company team. If an identifier matches multiple resources, the Multiple Resources window pops up so you can select the one you need. Customize everything: hotkeys, triggers, layout. Use the Quick Access window, execute terminal commands, and preview with a single key. Working with a team? lightningAssist makes collaboration simple. Invite members to teams and manage company-wide resources that keep your communication clear, consistent, and fast. Browse the built-in resource examples for ready-made resources, or contribute your own and help others save time too. And most importantly, your privacy is always protected. lightningAssist never stores or records what you type. Everything is encrypted and stays entirely under your control. You can install it on Windows, macOS, or Linux, and every new user starts with a 14-day free trial. No limits, no credit card required. It's built for developers, support teams, marketers, lawyers, writers, students, and anyone who types a lot and values their time. You can even earn rewards by referring friends or contributing approved resources to the community. So if you're ready to ditch repetition, level up your workflow, and take back your time, start with lightningAssist. Smarter typing, better collaboration, instant results. Because when you automate the small stuff, you unlock space for the work that really matters. lightningAssist. Every second matters.